Welcome back again to part two of the reassembly to our X1 pocket bike. So, like I explained to you guys in part one, we had a pretty much a catastrophic fail with our motor. So, I was in search of a donor. We needed a couple parts that we pretty much weren't going to be able to buy. So I needed to find a donor in order to get the parts I needed. And luckily today we got one. So I'm gonna pull out my engine. Here's our donor bike. And that's our other bike. But I'm gonna pull out the engine because this motor is gonna serve me perfect. As you guys can see, it's got the original pull start. It's got everything on it. Everything's 100% original. We even got the fins for the rear portion of my bike. I also got a spare fuel tank and a couple other little knick-knack stuff here and there. So we'll definitely be taking advantage of this engine for sure, guys. Stick around so that we can get this done. Guys, that's gonna be a wrap on the pocket bike build, guys. How can I say this as quickly as possible? This is probably the baddest X1 pocket bike I've built. This thing came out super cool. The combination between the white and the orange, first of all, is the first I've ever done in any of my bikes. I've done white bikes before, but they were cat eye pocket bikes, and they are always with black rims. So when I saw the orange, I was like, man, this is gonna look nice. So I just went with it, and yeah, guys, this thing came out really nice. And our electric start works, everything on our bike works. I already got the fuel lines shipped in the mail and the entire mix of making this video. And I'll kind of show you guys a... Let's see if it lets me do it, because I have to hold the handle and press the button both at the same time. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't want to drop you. Yeah, guys, X1 pocket bikes are very loud. They have a very aggressive straight pipe with a nice little muffler. So yeah, guys, this thing came out really nice. But I wanted to show you guys something really fast. You guys remember our parts bike, right? So I took my parts off my parts bike and I took what I needed. Yeah, but I noticed there was a lot of good stuff left here. There's actually a potential complete bike here. It's not to my preference, because I like bikes that are straight bars, like the yellow mini bike, or I like mini bikes like this that have all the body panels, all the plastics, all the fairings, all that stuff. I don't really like a pocket bike with no fairings. That's just my personal choice. I don't really like the way they look. They kind of look very weird and funky, but I figured, you know what, there's other people that do like it. We're gonna do something with the parts bike, and sure enough, I did. Check this out. Bam, guys, what do you guys think about that? So I did the dark charcoal metallic gray on here, and then I painted my wheels this really nice color. And guys, that little touch that I did on the tires, I did it on my other bike too, guys. So I don't know, I think it looks really dope. I'm gonna put the old motor from this pocket bike on there. I bought a chain, I put a brand new carburetor on there, and I'm gonna try and start it up and see if I could ride it around. It is still missing a couple things, like the handle for the rear brake and the cable for the rear brake. But it does have the front brake handle, and I think it's missing a throttle cable, but I think I have a throttle cable for that specific bike that I bought at some point in the past. So yeah, I'm gonna put it together, guys. I'm not really gonna make a video of it because like I said, I kind of started it when I was bored, so I didn't really record. I was just kind of, you know, relieving stress kind of deal. So yeah, guys, I built the pocket bike, that other X1 pocket bike that we got for parts, and I'm most likely just gonna post it and just get rid of it in order for me to be able to have a little bit more room to sell the rest of my stuff. So guys, till the next one, make sure you guys stick around, because we're gonna have another trail bike here pretty soon. And I hope that didn't go too dark, but we're gonna have another trail bike here pretty soon, which is gonna be a really nice trail bike. So make sure you guys stick around and see the clip. See the clip at the end of the video, guys. Peace out. Stay safe.